Hello, welcome to this very special video on ParkSpill channel. It's an exciting video today. As you can see, I'm standing outside Shockwave. I don't think it's appreciated enough. So what I'm going to do today is see how many rides I can get on Shockwave in one day. Say hello, Joe.
Hi.
Hi. So Drayton Manor have been really kind to us today. They're actually allowing us to film on ride on Shockwave, which is unheard of these days. Really excited about that. Thank you so much, Drayton Manor.
I reckon you'll handle 30.
30.
I'd be impressed with 30. I think your brain will be scrambled.
Yeah, so.
Let's go.
Shockwave challenge. First ride. Let's go. Brilliant. Round two.
I'm not riding them all day though.
Joe's not going to bother doing it. She's not as hardcore as me.
No.
In fact, I don't even know why I'm doing it, but I love it so much. Round two.
Here we go.
Here we go. Such an underrated coaster that is. I think I'm going to be fine riding this all day. So how was that, Joe?
Oh, it was so good.
That was amazing. So like I just said, we managed to get 3 rides in there, like by ourselves. The trains were empty. We got to do front row 3 times. And it was weird, wasn't it? Because there's like no screen in there.
It was mad, except for mine.
Yeah, exactly yours. But yeah, thank you so much for Drayton Manor, and especially a big shout out to Danielle for sorting this out for us. So yeah, I'm by myself now. You're not coming on again, are you?
No, I might do one a bit later on, but that's 3 down.
Joe's job today is just to film me, so she'll be filming some off-ride shots. Wish me luck.
Yeah. Round 4, let's go. 5 rides down, how you doing?
Good, yeah. Starting to feel a little bit, I don't know if I'm hungry, I'm just... Do you want to come on?
No, I'll keep filming.
What time is it?
20 to 1.
20 to 1. Okay, you can do this.
Yeah. Number 7, on the left hill for number 8. Number 9.
9, goes that round to 10.
Here he comes.
10.
10 rides down.
Yeah. I can actually go get some food now. I was like running around for a bit there. I was like trying to get up there. It'd be so much easier if I was allowed to stay in the station, but it wouldn't be fair, would it? Because then, like,
yeah, exactly.
I want to do something like everyone realistically do.
Yeah.
You can beat me. Feel free. Let's do the challenge, the Shockwave challenge. So a little break on Apocalypse now. Back on for the 11th ride.
I'm joining for number 11.
Let's see, we go, it's 2:30 now. I'm just going to try and mount on it now. Complete walk on anyway.
Twelve down, go for 13.
Oh god, that's unlucky.
13 down.
That was good. That was on the back row of that.
Nice.
That was one intense.
It's definitely picking up speed now, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's, when I was like going towards the front, it's like just a little bit like wee, and I went on the back row and it was just like whoa.
That's the difference.
Yeah, the G's on the back row.
14 down. I think he's worn out now. That was number 14. That was 15.
Yeah.
I lost count. I was joking, but there we go. That was 19.
That was 19.
Yeah, I'm gonna join you. I'm gonna join you for 20.
Okay, let's go. Quick.
Oh, run with the camera in the back.
We did it.
Hey! 20 rides.
Sorry.
COVID floor. 20!
We confirmed it. There was a bit of a discrepancy.
I had to look back on the footage and count how many times we said it.
And this has not been a challenge at all, and it cements the fact that I think this is a great coaster. It's an underrated coaster. It's one of the 94 coasters, man. I think the biggest challenge all day was going up them stairs like constantly. Probably could have done more. I ran round, but I lost steam. Had option to get 21 because it was still open, but I just can't bother with any more stairs, and I think 20 is pretty good.
20 is decent, man, yeah.
Pretty good.
I mean, I think we were optimistic this morning when I was like,
Yeah.
if you could do 30, I'd be impressed, but actually I am impressed at 20.
You compare it to like some of the other coasters that run like two train operations. This is one train operation, and like I was saying, just because it was walk on, still had to wait for people to load the full train up. Well, not full train up, but a decent amount, which is understandable really, but happy with that. And thank you so much to Drayton Manor for allowing us to do that. Yeah, I'm going to be aching tomorrow.
Definitely.
It's been absolutely amazing day, and I didn't get to do Stormforce, to be honest.
You didn't get to do Apocalypse either.
I didn't get to do it, but I was like, let's have a little break from Apocalypse. Never got to do it, but it's kind of like when it got to the point where I was like, oh, there is actually only a limited amount of times I can do this because of the throughput. And thank you so much, Joe, for standing in this sun and filming me all day. You know, it's a big job. Like, I just got to ride coasters all day. So, you know.
I got to ride it 4 times though, 5 times actually, so I was pleased with that.
And you got to do exclusive ride time.
Oh yeah.
ParkSpill exclusive ride time.
ParkSpill exclusive.
Yeah, so like I say, if you beat it or you've done it more than me, write down in the comments what is your record on Shockwave and would you do it? If you have liked the video, give it a like. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Only 20% of you are subscribed to watch my videos, so it does a massive help for us, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
It gets us to do these cool like collaborations with parks and things like that. So yeah, lovely. Thank you so much for watching. And from me, bye-bye.